Guys, summer is here, but along with those hopeful days of sunshine, we also get the dreaded bugs and flies. So today I've got something to show you that might just be useful in your indoor and outdoor pursuits. It's the Mosquito Killer Lamp Bug Zapper by Letour. This 3-in-1 device combines a mosquito killer, camping light and emergency light, making it an essential tool for your home and outdoor adventures, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Mosquito Killer Lamp Bug Zapper by Letour. Now, this electric fly insect killer is a versatile and powerful device designed to keep your space mosquito-free and well lit. Now, equipped with advanced features, it ensures maximum convenience and efficiency. Now, before we get into it, Letour sent me this bug killer to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have a USB-C charging cable. We've got the main unit itself, this bug zapper lamp. And guys, when you look at it, you've got a large LED in the front and you've got these two side lights at the sides. Turn it over, you've got a row of buttons which are there to change the different light modes. And you've got your USB A and C charge ports behind this grommet, and on the back you've also got some LED power status buttons, but more on that later. You get a nice carry handle so you can carry it, and you've got a rotatable stand so you can tilt this in whatever orientation you would like to. So now let's talk about the lighting modes. This Mosquito Killer Lamp is equipped with 2700 to 6500K color temperature LEDs. It also includes the ultraviolet lamp security designed to eliminate bugs with, I'm afraid to say, an electric shock, and it also features a red emergency light. So I'll just take you through those, and look how bright that is, with also some color temperature change. Now let's turn that off because it's blinding me, because it is pretty bright. But the camping light modes, guys, they include nature, medium, high and ultra bright. Like I just showed you, this thing is bright. And like I said, you can choose between white light, warm light, killer light and red light options. So it's a very, very flexible setup. So whether you're camping or having a barbecue, or even if you've got a power outage, this guy is going to be right there for you. Also, portability is a key feature of this Letour Bug Zapper. Its ergonomic structure, portable hook and handheld design makes it easy to carry and hang anywhere. And it also includes that screw hole in the bottom, so you can actually mount this to a tripod should you wish to do that. Now guys, one of the most impressive features of this device is its ultra long life battery. The built-in large capacity rechargeable battery ensures that you have long lasting power, whether you're asleep and you just want it on low, or whether you want emergency lighting or whatever, it's going to be lasting for quite a long time. The intelligent power display on the back, like I showed you, you've got the LEDs there, that allows you to monitor power usage, and it shows you charging in real time, so you're never left in the dark. And guys, for charging, the Letour Bug Zapper comes with that Type-C portable charging port that I showed you before, and it comes with a USB-A port, allowing for a variety of charging methods. And guys, if you want to charge your devices from this battery, so if you want to charge your mobile phone or something like that, you can. So guys, there you have it, the Letour Mosquito Killer Lamp Bug Zapper is an excellent addition to your home and outdoor gear with its multifunctional design, advanced lighting modes, portability and long battery life. It's perfect for keeping your space illuminated and bug-free. Whether you're camping, enjoying a night on the patio or dealing with an emergency, this device has got you covered. Also guys, the cost of this is not going to break the bank. At just £29.99, it's a small price to pay to stay bug-free, and at the time of this video going live, there is actually a 50% discount code on Amazon to make this even more of a no-brainer. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Letour for sending me this cool multifunctional bug zapper to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.